I came up one more most important interview question. So what is the difference between driver.get and driver.navigate? Okay, let's go through the details. So the most differences, I'll list it out here. So driver.get, it is used to open the URL. The same thing is happening with the driver.navigate 2 as well. So it is easy to open the URL. So same functionality, and waits until the page complete loaded. Okay, it will wait until the page complete loads, but whereas in navigate, so it will not wait until the page is loading, and does not hold any history. So can't use back and forward. It holds the history, so I can use back and forward. I'll use refresh because it holds the history. Can able to interact with the web objects easily because it will wait until the complete page is loaded. So all the web objects will be loaded on the page. So it is not that much of easy. So we may interact with the web objects. Sometimes I need to use some explicit way to wait to load for a particular object to be loaded. The syntax is driver.get. We need to pass the URL inside it. And coming to navigate, driver.navigate.to, need to pass the URL inside it. That's all. Hope you all clear with the differences. All right. Thank you.